my mic was unplugged for some reason. That's interesting. How are you doing, Darkest? Um, I need a KB reader file for Happy Wheels. I don't think that I have my old one. That might be a problem for another day, but I kind of like the KB reader. It just is cool. So let's check in the Discord, see if anybody has one. Bum 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 bum. Da 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 da. Oh, no. Wait, is that what it's called? I don't think it's actually called a KB reader. Show keyboard on stream.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to install
All right, chat, let's figure out how to get our inputs on stream.
and use the OBS 3 plugin input overlay. We're going to start with the installation. So if you're on the OBS forums, you can just click go to download. It'll take OBS 3 usually is it. Click yes, the folder already exists, the input overlay source. If not, in this case, it says here loading input overlay. Okay, now that you've installed the plugin, you can start adding the input overlay source. The source takes two files, which you can either get from GitHub, or if you have your own presets, you can load those. Put them here, and then we can start pointing OBS to that folder. We're going to start with a simple one, WASD. And as you can see, it works just fine.
Wait, I think this is exactly what I need. Oh wait, no, not WASDA. I need ZXC S. I actually wonder how that will work. I guess we'll make it R and escape, because I bet that's what it would work as. I think this is going to take long enough that I'll just do it another stream. That's my conclusion. So let's center this back, and we'll just know that that's where the KB reader will go. Let's start here. All right, back to the demo keyboard. And music back. All right. Oh, that sucks. 3-3 is crazy.
Damn it! Oh, God. Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it!
Nice. Just want to get thin again. I definitely want to be like holding the down arrow on my last push and then tap left there. I think that's the most consistent way to do it. Nice. That was a small mistake. This window is not the right size. Maybe it should be though. I act stupid. SOS. Not in This might be decent. I don't know if it's sub 40. No, it is not decent. Please. Ah. Oh, my headset just went low battery. I have a backup that's wired. My dumbass was drinking after Texas Tech, my college, university, won their game yesterday. And I forgot. I'll take it. Good luck. Take a bit to get on studying. That's definitely more important than Happy Wheels, unfortunately. So, good luck with that. I don't care about beta. Oops. One. Nope. That was kind of close though. I just think I needed to pull out a little bit more. Or pull back, I think would be slightly accurate. One. Oh yeah. One, two, three. I guess I was just too bent up like this for it to do anything. That was nice though. Satan. Oopie. Ah, bad. I should have tried for it. I kind of got the horseless setup there. I just didn't go for it. You can, if the bone is exactly like this, just bounce off of the bone here and go straight to it. I just didn't get like a good bounce off of it. I'm getting better at Satan. Not by much. It's hard to tell, but I can tell. I might even be getting less consistent, but I'm getting more consistent at like good times. Like this is a 11, a low 11, very low 11. That was, I think, one cycle earlier than the good jab. So I think this is where you want to fit normally. Although if you could get here, that's like, geez, you're set. This is also a good one, but normally you don't want your head back here. You want it up here. Although, yeah, that doesn't look like I'm dead at all. But I also just had a really clean end. Like I didn't stop on anything there. It was just a straight path. Bum bum ba-dum bum. Anything else? Let's just practice actual levels now. Alt F2. Oh. Wonder what I do when I have that much speed. Maybe just don't get that much speed in the first place. That is a valid answer. Down to Mexico, what I did is wrong. That was, oh, as I was talking about it, I just didn't hold left arrow enough. Leave this one behind. Goodbye. Seven. Anastasia. Nice. Tonight. GBE. That's unfortunate. That was clean, but it still wasn't a 14. Ba-da-ba-bum. Okay. One more of each. Back officially. That was pretty fast, actually. One more GG, yes. Okay, since I have my auto splitter back, when I'm doing runs, I will once again be starting if it keeps happening. Because I get the time save of not having to pick a character, and you can do this level way faster if you like spam reset it than if you play it normally. By way, I mean like 0.5 probably. So I don't even think I have to warm that level up because we'll just be doing it a lot. Rope swings. 3-6 is really good. Oh my god, if that happens in a run, I'll cry. Oh, I don't know why I'm playing solo again. Play a full trap track. And then I think I'm good to just start doing runs, because I'll be playing quite a bit of SMF and Dawn. I still am trying to figure out what the best way for me to warm up is. But what you just saw... Oh, wow, that was weird. Whatever, I did the movement. I already warmed up the finish. What you just saw is what I'm trying for now. Let's do a Dawn, actually. Imagine you're barely at sub 2 pace and lose it due to using a few frames at RS. You're making me want to practice rope swings, man. Oh my god. Maybe once I get world record, I want to do like 100 completions of each level. Once again. Just try and grind it, get a little bit more consistent. I've done it a few times in the past, and it's always been a good idea. I've never gotten like a bad thing out of it. It was how it was how I rediscovered the SMF thing. All right, where is Life Split? Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to do some runs. Ah. Why isn't it working? What? Oh, 255 finishes maybe? What? No, that shouldn't matter anymore, because it's... Is this gonna work? Okay, sick. Oh, okay, yeah, no, it is. And we did vote, and the winner was to keep the amount of resets that I have. You'll notice right now it's at 22. So everything is all used. Let's do this. Also, I just realized I can probably hide my taskbar. How can you not hide your taskbar? No, I don't think you can. But anyways, let's see how many resets I was at. Oh, this is an old one. Uh, Show obsolete runs. And 64990. So 65002. All right, we're back. I should probably also enter my splits at some point, but I'm tired of not doing runs. Let's do runs. Oh man, I have to draw on my freaking screen. Where'd it go? Okay. This one's black. We do that. We do purple for this. Okay. And we go blue for the levels. 2, 3, 4, 5. I should do this before the stream. I'll try and do that next time. Da, da, da. All right, I think we're good. It is time to play the video game. Back to the Happy Wheels view. And let's do this. I also have my levels in the wrong order. God damn, bro. I want to play the game. Raft with the hydrate. God, I don't have water. Okay, one sec. Ugh. Random pair of cowboy boots in my floor. I wonder whose those are. They're right next to a half-empty bottle of Everclear, so I think that answers that question. You want in or out, Javi? In? Okay. Proper grind. Honestly, it does. You are spitting straight facts. I genuinely am just going to be a healthier person the more I stream. Because I'll drink more water and the usuals. Okay, back to OBS. What order am I going to play the levels? This thing always lags for like 5 seconds when you open it. I don't know why. What levels would I like to play? It keeps happening first. Then let's go SMF next. Oh yeah, you're right, I did. I had two options, I think. One where oh, I forgot about Satan. That's actually a shout. But I kind of want to do Satan after SMF Hobby. Um, it goes below it, so this needs to go down. Next would be Dawn. Next would be Satan. Huh. Next would be Trap Track. Then Obby, GBE, BMX, Rope Swing. That seems reasonable. Keep it there for now. I have some weird golds here. Let's just reset all of this. I'll fix it later. Or I'll just world record now and we don't have to worry about fixing it later. Okay. It is officially runs time. Sweet. Back to stream view. Okay. Boom. Restart. This level's okay. Okay. I have that I need to do. Okay, I see. At the ready. I did the wrong level. Wait, do I have reset anything on? Why did that reset? I have it off. Story, what if I say I'm not like the others? The universe does not want me to do runs right now. Why does it start when I go from that to 3? The others, what if I say I'm not just another one? Okay, let's just figure out the autosplitter first. Okay, exit to menu. We play, like, for example, SMF. When I pause, it resets. So let's fix that. Not this camera. There we go. Okay, reset. If current is 5 and old is 4, um, actually I should make a new var. It's a very easy fix. I'm in Vim. Oh no, I'm in my demo keyboard. There we go. I'm still on my demo keyboard. Vars. I'm what's right. I'm the enemy. Fixing autosplit around 2. It will never end. Actually, hopefully it will. Vars first level equals 1. And update whenever I split vars dot first level equals 0. So only reset if first level equals 1. Or reset any unfinished, reset any pause. Actually, okay, slightly more convoluted fix. So that is one case, or reset any unfinished level and say I will never surrender. That's not what I wanted. Whatever, let's just do this the old-fashioned way. Yoink that. Okay, so the current stack data is 3, and old stack data equal or greater than 3, and current stacked data equal to 3. I think that's it. And I need another close on the parent after this. Oh, I see the issue. All right, I think that's good. Officially announcing your return to Happy Wheels is 227. That was not intentional. That's crazy. What are the odds? I should make my announcing something exactly 2 minutes long, or like 1:59. Okay. Now will you work? Let's restart this. Oh, it looks like maybe it's broken again. Add a layout. Auto splitter. Yeah, it's broken again. Yeah, mod. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I didn't put a semicolon or something? Reset. If current stack data equal to 5 and old stack data equal to 4 and vars first level equal to 1, or settings refresh. Oh, why is there a random 9 here? That would break it. Was that not it? Wow, there's more errors. Resetting finish level is true, and current stack date equals 3. Oh, I see another issue. I don't think that would cause an error, would it? Okay, we're doing the old-fashioned ask the AI. Oh no, I need to yoink that into the other registry. Oh, I forgot to put a semicolon. Where? Here. Freaking Python coders, man. Okay, it's working now. Now. Still starts when I exit to menu. Which, I mean, while I'm here. Why the hell is it doing that? Oh, I was looking through my thing. I have no idea why it's splitting when I exit to menu. Can't wait for the day where I have to hit unduffered bond. Dude, I will 1000% be doing that. If it's like 5 inputs and they're hittable. But we'll have to wait till the day where it's like reasonable. Like even Red Bull, they like the max they ever go for is like 9. And their like entire game is just hit frame perfects the game. It's like Super Mario Bros. 1, 2. Okay, you working this time? Bum bum bum. Oh, I'm on OBS. Lol. Okay. I think it's good. I'm playing the right level. It didn't split for menuing. Oh, it split twice, actually. Wait, that's not good. That is annoying. So it keeps happening to SMF. Okay, so it splits once when I hit the finish. It splits when I open my menu. Snowy Mountain. Why doesn't it split there? Maybe it splits... I'm so confused. Why did it break? Okay, let's do what I did again. It keeps happening here. Five to six splits. Okay, yeah, I just simply don't have... Um, vars. Oops. Wrong keyboard. Lucifer, even though heaven sent him. That's me, sorry. That was a Discord. Vars dot level currently finished. I think that's it. Okay. Reset. Do not update times. Happy Wheels. Check who DM'd me. Yeah, let's just continue. Okay. Let me turn on streamer mode. Okay, now we do runs. Right? Okay, that doesn't do anything anymore. Now if we go to Snowy Mountain, still doesn't split. Which means this won't split. How does that split? Okay, I'm so sad. I thought I fixed this. Okay. So, what's up, buddy? You okay? Maybe when I reset, I have to do this. Maybe? I mean, it's not like it'll do anything bad. That doesn't really make sense, but maybe. And then let me think about this. So I want it to split. So finish would be 0. And yeah, and it has to be at 6. Okay, so we're setting the level currently finished to yes, and saying we're no longer playing our first level, so we're allowed to reset now. Or it doesn't auto reset anymore. Return true, so it splits. Okay. Now, setting split on menuing. Do I have that setting turned on? I do. And old stack data is 3, so I'm from the menu, and current stack data is greater than 3. Why doesn't that work? Genuinely, why doesn't that work? All right, cheat engine time. Let's check our variable. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Put that here. We're looking at this bottom value that's green. So it should go from 3 to 4. Why does that not split? Oh, that is not supposed to be there. That's supposed to be 0. Was that it? That might have been it. Because then it would never set. That still shouldn't matter. All right, let's just continue testing. You were saying there's something more to this than one address? Like, I'm literally watching the value doing what I think it's going to do. Like, why doesn't that split? That double split? Okay, that's something at least. Uh, didn't split on menuing. There's something wrong with my logic here, I guess. Okay, music's going off. Okay. So when this starts, it creates two variables. Level currently finished, which obviously the level's not currently finished, and first level, which when it starts, it is the first level. It's 3 when you're in the menu, 4 in a level, 5 paused, 5 finished and unpaused, or 6 when finished and paused, which when it automatically pauses when you finish, so it'll be 6 always when you finish. If vars.level currently finished is equal to 1. Oh. I don't think I need this actually, because I fixed that by doing this. Did that mess with something? I don't think it would have. These are all menus. So demos a checkbox, reset any unfinished level, split on menuing, start on unpause. I'm going to capitalize this. I don't know. I've never tried to find out. I don't care about. Just I don't think so. What I think it is like the amount of layers in the level or something, and like finishing adds a layer to it. That's my guess. And yeah, I think that's just like the counter of number of layers in the Flash player. That's why I call it stacked, because it's like adding to it. Okay, so if level currently finished is 0, which it will be when you first start playing, and the old stacked data was less than 6, I should make this less than 5. Right? Well, it should just be 4. Well, let's keep it at less than 6, because I don't think that's the issue, is it? Because, I mean, 5 to 6, you can do, that's when you're just unpausing in the menu. It goes 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, but the level would be finished, because as soon as it triggers once, it sets level currently finished to 1. So that would no longer trigger. And it's no longer the first level, so that flips off. Okay, the other time we want it to split is it's going to go 6 to 3 to 4. And we want it to split when it goes from 3 to 4. So let's just say stack data equal to 3 or... No, it should be 4 or 5. 4 or... I mean, that's the exact same thing as it was. It was just greater than 3. I don't understand. It should just be greater than 3. Current is greater than 3, while old is equal to 3. Let's do the slowdown and see if there's something I'm missing here. This can be here. This can be here. Um, okay. Let's slow it down to... And I'll put the timer on screen because that is definitely important to see. So it's going. So first level's 1, and level currently finished is 0. When I finished, it reset. What? Okay. So that was perfect. That's exactly what it was supposed to do. Now, Snowy Mountain, it's going from 3. Let's make this 0.05, so it goes like 1 frame a second. And let's watch this number here. It should go 3 to 4. It does. And it doesn't split. Huh. Okay. Well, can I currently finish a level is another question. Answer should be no. Perfect. So that means that level currently finished is 1. Where's the UN unpause? I should make this. There. Thoughts? What if we just remove that? Or what if I just put else if? Does it have to be else if, maybe? Is that the only thing that I'm doing stupid? There's no chance. This would be such a dumb language if you have to else if. Okay. Level. Leave. Play Snowy Mountain. No. Alright, let's try removing the settings thing. Okay. Alright. Snowy Mountain. Still no. Let's just try making it equals 4, maybe? That's perfect. SMF menu. That does not work. Any people smarter than me in the chat? Because I am confuzzled. Wasn't this working yesterday? That's not what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Split on menuing is checked. Let's see if maybe it's like just one thing. So first level 0, level currently finished is 1. Exit. Satan. Play. Split. Which is crazy, because we watch that again. We're at 5, we're at 3. Play, we're still at 3. Play, we go to 4. That's 3 to 4. Maybe, let's change it to less than 4, maybe? Less than or equal to 3? Could that possibly do anything? I don't think so, but, I mean, what else can I try? Sure, okay, I guess it jumps to like 0 whenever you're doing it. And somehow I missed that at 0.5 speed. Um, let's just reset and I don't want to. Okay, so it's here. Exit to menu. We would be playing Snowy Mountain Final. Let's go ahead and set this to 0.02, I guess. It went to 2. I saw that. It went to 2. Did anyone else see that? Okay, that's good to know. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay, sometimes it goes to do. Why? What? Whatever. Okay, it works. Don't question. No more questions. We are just happy that it works. And I can finally do runs. Alright, guys, ending stream. Just kidding. Okay, Snowy Mountain Final is the second level. Let's go ahead and turn back on the other settings. Scriptable autosplitter. Boom. Okay. This will split, because who cares? Alright. It keeps happening. With this guy. Demo keyboard. Okay, it is working. The reset is now not working. Oh, yeah. If current stack date is 5, and old stack date is 4, and var's first level equals 1, or recent, that should work. This is what's happening. I'm restarting the game. Oh, this should be 0. Or wait, no. No, this should be setting it. What? Wait, it has to be 1, so this line is redundant. First level 0. First level 1. How do I make it so it resets first level to... From 4 to... Okay, that makes sense. So maybe I do need an update block. Update... Um, if current... How can it know if it's my first level? Um, can I add logic to this for when I press reset? I don't think that's how it works though. I think that's, let me look up the documentation. It turns out the title I forgot to change was accurate. Maybe it's because I didn't change the title that this thing is doing things. Uh, .asl documentation. Autosplitter. Okay. I didn't know it was C# actually. That's funny. Wait, that's actually crazy. I didn't know you could do that either. Let's do that. That way it would always give us values in 30-second increments, I guess. Add that to our init. Split. Oh, because this is 1. That's a very elegant way of doing it. Process name? code inside is still executed. How do we keep track of the first level? Let's just try it. Let's just try it like this. So when I reset var's first level 1, maybe that won't work. I have a good way of testing it though. So let's just open this again. Do not know why I closed it. So it keeps happening. It should start now. It doesn't like whatever I did. Oh, I didn't put a semicolon. It's crazy. I know what I did because I've done it wrong so many times. Okay, now this should start. Did I mess something else up? I don't think I changed anything else. Well, it doesn't like it. Is it just that it doesn't like? No. What? What did I do? Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah, that'll do it. Oh, I can keep track of what level I'm on, I think. But how do I freaking reset it? They, I might DM the smart guy. Steering on. Can I search? Oh, if timer dot is resetting. Okay, is that true? Did it just make that up? ASL live split. I think it just made that up. Dude, I fucking hate AI. Frickin' heck, man. Oops. Class timer methods. Looking at some interesting things here. This might help. It's oh my gosh, man. All right, well, I guess I'll blindly trust my AI overlords and try it. Just so that I can yell at it. If readout is resetting. Surely this doesn't break. Yep, broken. Does this work? Yep, it's just that. Mother heck. Surely I can think of a workaround for this. I can't at the moment. Let me ask Mysterion. I was trying to figure it out on my own before I bothered him, but I'll bother him. I can't think of a workaround. I don't know. I think I would just have to find another variable, like the finish counter thing, just to be able to reset the first level. Or I could just manually hit reset. That is also possible. But that's just annoying. That is simply annoying. Why wouldn't I guess it makes sense. surely, I guess I just have to find another variable. But it was so bothersome to find the first one. How frustrating is that? Script startup. Game start. The game process has been found. Is loading. Automatic timer start. Load time removal. Okay, very dumb thing. What if I just make it reset if the timer is like under 10 seconds and I pause? No, that wouldn't work. No, that wouldn't work. There is on reset. Oh, it's a freaking action thing. Okay, is it? Wait, how do I do it? Events. While a broader suite of events exist in LiveSprint, 3 are also available as ASL actions. What is an action, perchance? Uh, Action name. Okay, that is correct. It's 40 something. There it is. So on reset. Holy. Uh, okay, so on reset, set these two. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Okay. Dear Lord, can I finally do runs? Please, 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 please. Another field trip with the frizz? No way! Okay, this will split. Perfect. Exit to menu. Snowy Mountain. It split. It split for the menuing. Now, if I pause in this level... Wait, how do I get back to this? It doesn't reset. Am I a genius or what? Definitely not manic at all. Alright, let's finally do some runs. Change the title. World record attempts. I have spelled attempts with 3 T's. Or 4 T's, I guess, if you add the last one. Alright, ladies and gents and everyone else. Let's get this show on the road. Back to the demo keyboard. And let's go. Wonder how long it'll take me to get like back to consistent at this level. A snowy mountain. Nope. Snowy mountain. Wow, my menuing sucks. I think that's what I'm going to focus on these runs, is trying to do fast menuing. You make today like a long ass stream. I have nothing I need to do. Except feed myself, now that I think about it, but we can take a little break. We can have a Discord member screen share, entertain the stream. I forget I don't even have to reset. It auto does that for me. That's sick. That was better. Not good, but better. Let's just pause the timer and practice that a bit. So I'll be here. I'll be going play level. Snowy mountain. Easy. That's okay. Whatever. Okay, I'll practice it as I do runs. Okay. Another thing that I need to get better at is instantly flicking from like the mouse to the keyboard. I need to get like an instant down press in order to do this level correctly. And I mean like every other level needs to have a first frame input as well, so I shall get better at that. That was gonna work, I think. Close. Like that, I didn't get the down input, which is why it didn't work. There we go. Ah, and then I should have had an up arrow instead of left. That's some bullshit. Fourth frame down arrow. I think that was good. 3. Damn, dude. I literally need to lag my game intentionally. Like, I finally have a good enough computer that it like instantly loads the level-ish, not even. But either that or I need to add like a down arrow to my left hand? Maybe? Or I could just get better at the game, you know? That's also a possibility. Left arrow. is fun. I miss clicking around like this. Oh, this game is so good. It's a little too low. That's the right level. That is a unfortunate reality when you're menuing fast. Reset button. Once again. Back, did you fix the autosplitter? I did. I am the goat. I had it paused though, so it wasn't working. But it is indeed a runs time. Wrong level. It's right here. Okay, it was working. Nice. Okay, I just need to remember to reset it anytime I win the first level. Because I only have reset on for the first level. Okay, crazy idea. What if I don't even look at my screen? What if I just look at my hands when I'm doing that? Because I have the muscle memory down. I don't think I need to look at the screen. Maybe? That was better than a lot of the other attempts. Okay, I'm going to take the menuing a little bit slower until I get that first input down. I don't even think that's going to work. A little too much sauce. And I have to reset because I got past the first level. Oh, new best times. Well, I guess it doesn't show them until I finish a run. Boom. Wrong level. Oh, that would be good. Thank you. Shout out, Raf. Get under. Wow. What is that power? Nothing I could do. It's just too good. Maybe I'm jumping too fast. It's a fourth frame Z. Did I even warm this up? That would be silly if I did not warm this up. would explain quite a bit. Okay, actually I have an idea. I'm just gonna practice this. You can pause. That's the good practice, okay. I just need to have an extremely precise eye flick to the down arrow so that I can have extremely precise finger flick to the arrow. I think that's the play. That was a lot closer. Luckily the play now button is so massive, you don't really need to even be looking at it. Bam, bam. Oh, I should be doing that. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna have to be so good at this game. I think I missed a hydrate from Raf an hour ago somehow. Wait, no. No, I didn't, but I'll hydrate again. Okay, one more. I forgot, dude, sub 2 is gonna be so crazy hard, by the way. Hope y'all like Dre Run streams, because you're gonna be getting a fuck ton of them, excuse my French. Oh, music. That's why. That's why. Actually, I love this song, and it's been an hour, so let's play it again. And turn it up a little bit, because I had it lower when I was coding. Dun, dun. Flukes it in 10 attempts. Dude, I am not Nafisky. Maybe give me like 5,000 more hours in this game, and I'll get there. Ready to go, heartbeat, my heartbeat. I wanted you to know. The current world record holder has arrow keys on his left hand, so that might just be what I have to end up doing. Also, fuck it, I'll turn this into a run for fun. And then we're going to It Keeps Happening. No, I'm not. I missed it. When you least expect me. Not name dropping them? Wait, what was I talking about? Gambino? It's bottom left. Is it not? I forgot what I was just talking about, so maybe I'm not remembering. Oh, Sky. My fault. Does Sky have a Twitch? His name is Sky Fidels. He's the GOAT. Currently, yeah. Sky Fidels OMG on YouTube. Same guy who helped invent blaze bedding and tab crafting, which is pretty crazy in Minecraft, for those who don't know. Alright, let's do runs. Can't sleep. I can't even really hear the game, actually. She to my place, but she not my real girlfriend. Stupid, so dummy. Say the wrong thing and wrong girls come running. See, that's already so much better. Like, that was an actual attempt. 100. That one was not good, but it's fine. I'll do better. Like, wrong. Only did it for 2. This is turning into a run where the only time I'm allowed to think or look at chat is SMF Cha-Cha and before the run starts. Speak. Still too far left. I missed the click. That's impressive. I think I need to jump a little bit later. Like real flips. And it feels sick. Racist. A related racist. Always something in between that. I forget I need to reset. Yeah, it's I need to press the reset button whenever I get to SMF. I could honestly change it so that it resets on after 2 levels, because that's when I'll start pausing. And if I pause before that, then I mean the run's dead. But it's fine. I think it's better to just remember. Can I put the timer somewhere so that it is more visible? I can put it here. Then I have to fix my OBS. Give you guys a little bit more screen. More screen near screen. I think that's good. Now I can see my timer. It's here, by the way. This is the virtual song. Good YouTuber. Oh, I would have to redraw my screen. I think it is worth it, though. Because this also lets me see the fan, which I think would just be more consistent. And this is definitely not 1-to-1 ratio, which is the illegal one. Where's the pen? Okay. Reset. It's Control-Shift-3. Boom. 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 And then these. We do blue for the levels. Yes, we had a vote on that actually, Ref. In the mods. I mean, you can make a post on SRC if you disagree with it, and if people think it shouldn't be allowed, then we'll remove it. But Skyfidel's used it in his current world record. so I shall be using it in mine. I think it's just good for the game in a speed wise, just food for thought. Yeah, no, it is a good thought, and we definitely have thought about it. Okay, and this is what it looks like for the chattas. Okay, I won't make you look at it anymore. Da, 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 da. I can't tell if that's early or late. There we go. Ba, ba, da, ba, ba, da, da. Though it's impossible to detect, especially if it's not on your screen, or maybe you could literally use markers to draw on your screen. Yeah, I mean, we could, if that was enforced, make it so you just had to point your hand cam at the screen. Not a damn Viper. Hello there. I think I recognize you from my YouTube comments. We are doing attempts, runs today. How's your day going? I hope it's going well. It's a weekend, so it's gotta be good. Oh, is it from Discord? That might be what I remember you from then. I just know I've read that name. Wait, is there another one? I think there is another Viper. There's definitely Vipers. But, who knows? Raph, what's the other Viper named? I misclicked. That's impressive. No, I'm a different person on the server. Nor have I commented. Just watching so far. Really? Huh. I'll have to go back and check then. That's crazy. I swear I've looked at your name and misread it Adam, like the name, not Adam, before. Not the same Viper. Interesting. Maybe I am hallucinating. I. How dare I say the notorious runner? Still a cool guy. Still very, very good at BMX. Has world record currently on TGF. Get. Oh, okay, I see. No. I need to remember to reset after. It only auto resets on it keeps happening. If I beat the level, it stops. A few of his lagged run legit, so props. Yeah. I believe in redemption. That might work. No, barely. Wait, I searched the other Viper's name on Google. Only one video showed up. What the hell? Wait, is that real? Wait, what? When's it from? Is it like 2005? Oh, that was should have been good. It should have. It should have. Okay. New rule, I have to hit it once every time I miss. I think that works. We will run it because I'm bored. Oh, okay, never mind. Two in a row when the run doesn't matter. BMX. That's fun. I'm gonna add from 2024. Okay. Can you link that video? Because I'm going to DM him with some questions as a moderator of the community. I don't see another Viper. Are they online? I don't see a Viper in our chat. It'll delete it. Don't worry about it. I still have it. Okay, it was updated by a random account, actually. So, nothing he can do about that. I thought it was like his account, and he was like... No, I can still see the link. It's all good, it's all good. Why did I unpin that? Whoops. Alright, back to runs. God, this song bangs. Although, best John Mayer... Damn it. Best John Mayer is Neon Live, and it's not close. At Nokia Theater. Yeah, weird that it shows up, for sure. For sure. Yeah, the comment was a doozy. Oopsie. Okay, I need to stop doing that. $683, solid. Would you wall climb? Because you like if you miss it, you can like grab there and pull yourself up. Oh, with ID, okay. Yeah, this is there's a 100% category in this game. And this is one of the strats. Am I washed? I might be. You can also pause buffer this fly, but it's not that bad. Bum, bum, bum. I am just washed, though. I will be doing 100% after I get the sub 2. I don't know why I played that so safe. Let's not do that. I missed the play button. But yeah, I'm going to be doing 100% as well, which I am excited for, but that is dependent on first getting the sub 2. Wrong button. I think I just jumped early. That was a good one. I'll do this a year. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Yeah, that's fair. Now that I think about it, that's actually where I want my mouse, which actually makes that a lot easier because it is a character select level. But oops. I need to remember to do that. Double clicked. My timer wasn't going. Actually, let's practice that again. Heck off. Okay, so don't reset until I practice. That's a fun little thing we just learned. Okay, so for the practice, man. Yeah, I just need to be really, really fast to the down arrow. Is my demo keyboard? What? Well, why did that not work? My R button just didn't reset the level. Little bit high. Wow, my fingies. I need to start doing finger stretches again. Oh, no carpal tunnel for me, preferably. Preferably. Just missed my mouse. One of the funniest battles this community has ever seen is me versus AGL and the jumping to the booster, then optionally ejecting to the finish. Yeah. The booster finish in Rope Swings was the original way to skip it before somehow. Was I the first one to do that, or was it on TJF, but no one brought it to this game? Or it was like, yeah, you just do that, and then you'll bounce to the finish. Bum, 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 bum. I found it independently before I knew about TotalJerkface.com or this community. Whoa, that's a lot of links. Wait, no. 35 messages? It just timed out Raph. What? Okay. We need to figure out how to stop that. Get fucked, Raph. You're back. Alright, let's see what you sent. Oh, you just sent like 18 links. That makes sense, actually. Oh, you just sent the full battle? I'll just show one of them. The summoning Saul video. I need to turn it off. Can I ban Nightbot? Slash ban? I don't know. We want to keep Nightbot. We just need to fix it. Holy! Wait, I looked away. Sheesh. My own lies. Back to demo. Reset. Well, why not? Okay, that's why. That's what's crazy is even if I take Dawn like really slow and make sure I hit it, I then have to do Satan Trap Track back to back. Like this run is ridiculous. I think that's it. Get down, get down, get down! Unlucky. I think I actually did my double pause a frame early. Or maybe not a frame, but early. Why is it saying that I have a 0.03 segment? Oh, man. Yeah, y'all can go away. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. This goes here. Reset. I have to click on the screen. Reset. That's probably why it wasn't working the last time, too. Nope. Why is reset chance broken? Reset chance 100%. Jeez. Why did I do click that? Oh, that was it. I hit the Z. I didn't get the jump. It's almost nothing at all. That's so good. Why don't I have detailed timer? I want to be able to see my split time. Okay. Okay, Satan time. My splits working? Yeah, they are. Okay, that is crazy. In that battle, AGL got a 420. Wow, what a legendary BB. But sub 420 is also really cool. Damn. I kind of want this to show milliseconds. Edit layout. Um, and my subsplits. Tenths. There we go. I have beaten some of my best times. Rio is almost nothing at all. That was fun, though. We got a run to Satan. That doesn't happen very often. I do need to be playing the level in order to reset. Eh. Yeah. I'm kind of confused as to what just happened. I've zoned out completely, and for some reason I'm on obby in my splits. Comes and where it goes. Perfect. Oh, the crawling is not perfect. Why couldn't I have just done that? Mr. Streamer, why don't you just copy what the world record does? Sing with me, sing for the year. I think that was gold menuing. It was. Ba-dum, 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 bum. We'll play it. I have plenty of time to save. Yeah, I didn't want to play that one anyway, actually. That's not the button. Quite close. Dream on, dream on, dream until your dream come. Close to perfect. That was probably best pace ever. I'm gonna do a no reset just so we have splits to compare against, maybe. One, two, four. Satan. No reset. That was a very easy cycle, but it's... Oh my goodness, I should have died there. Okay, we're doing Bouncer. Greatest demo run of all time. Sure. Yep. Missed the chair knockoff twice in a row. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I already played that level. I just hit split. Whoops. What was my back button? Is it that? Okay, I want to switch these buttons because that whoopsie. It was a decent run actually. Only like 2 or 3 mistakes. That would be edit splits. Let it lag for a bit. Um, that's reasonable. Menuing, let's set rope swing to like 4 seconds so I can beat it. 4.00. All right, there we go. That was a sub 3. If I just got like a 4-second rope swing. That's hilarious. That is hilarious given how hard I had to try to sub 3. Oh, I forgot to switch my buttons. Whatever. Ah, a little too much. All right, let's switch those buttons. I need to change control. Bow now, no. Bow. My SMF best segment is broken as well. So is Dawn. Of the toxin in my blood. But I know what it was. Okay, anything else not correct? All looks good. The welfare check. Will never bounce like my daddy did, but I'm glad he did because it made me strong. Actually, no, my rope swing segment's broken. It's the last one. Gravitate, food for thought, gravitate. Okay. Control, settings. Next. Then undo split. Is that? And by day. Actually, no, that doesn't make sense. What would do? What would you? What will I? All right, I think I'm happy with that. Bum 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 bum. Game's starting to lag a tiny bit, so restart real quick. Gotta go. How was school? It was good. How was you? This game, it registers your mouse on mouse up instead of mouse down. So like when you click, nothing happens. You have to let go. So it makes it really easy to like miss buttons. That's perfect. A little bit of dawn action next. Ooh. Really bad dawn. Make it up on Satan. Okay, kind of glad that died. Beating some of my best times. Yippee. Cold. That was a crazy noise, I can't lie. Savable, but that would have to be better. What am I doing again? Oh, I have to click to reset. Bam bam. Visions of you. Didn't reset. Get. Get! Jeez. Okay, hit the left arrow on accident. You know what? I need to change on reset to on start, I just realized. That's why the timer isn't starting sometimes. Attributes with you, dandelion. Decent. Dude, my buffering is a little bit off. heart's flaring in this place to let you down. For some reason, I have another 3-second dawn split. I had to risk it. I knew it was a possibility. Okay, I need to reset when I'm in the main menu to avoid that. I could also code a thing that keeps it from doing that. I might do that after stream. The place that I once knew. Ba-dum bum 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 bum. That's the other safe way to do it. It's just back. Undo. Oh, we have to reset. Okay. I'm going here. Too hard. Why do I always freaking hit it when I forget to reset? Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix it because it gets fairly annoying. That's the other way to do it. Get. And green fields. Okay, that's not good at all, but it's playable. Okay, I'm not going to play a 32. Should I add a box around where the IGT should be in the screen so it's easier to like look at for people who don't do this for hours a day? we go. Not quite enough. I have to get to the right of this booster. Like right in here. Slip around. Ugh. Eh. Eh. Ooh. Take that. $14 push off. I think that's too much. Three, 1, 2, 4. Satan. That is annoying. It's just because I didn't press shift for like 0.2 seconds. Damn. It's a good run. Ooh, I should get a heart rate monitor too. That would be very fun. How expensive are heart rate monitors? Uh, like $60. Um, Apple Watch rate monitor OBS. Oh, you can. Free access during beta, which will last a few months. It came out in 2021, XD. Interesting. I'll set this up as well. I'll keep that tab open. Oh, wrong keyboard. Almost perfect. One hand. $11 push off. Oh my god. No. Oh my gosh. That would have been a ridiculously good Dawn. Or SMF. It says my SMF was 29.9. I didn't see it. Damn, that was so close to like a 26, 25. Nice. Two framer. Ah! Those shouldn't be happening. Nice. Maybe. Sure. Again, exact same thing. Let's actually just do one Dawn. Oh, that still resets. Even though it's paused, really? Dude, I'm fucking up my resets. I guess I can just do this. Turn off the start. Okay, Snowy Mountain Final. No, Dawn. Yeah, well, whatever. Feels good. And then we'll do bam, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, whatever. Let's do runs. Ba-dum. Okay. I get to play the game. I no longer get to play the game. It's a V part of the waves can't stop. Good. Kind of playable, actually. Pushed off at 14. Here. What was that? But to be part of the waves can't stop. Why did that double split? That's something I don't know. It's an else-if, right? It is an else-if. Whatever. Maybe I should put... Actually, I have a great idea as to why that's double splitting. I'm just going to swap those two if statements. Oh, turn on Vim. That's easier. All right, let's see if that does it. That should stop the double splits. Bum, ba-na, bum, ba, ba-na. Wrong keyboard. What the wave meant. Oop. Oh, that was my fastest one. That's crazy. Oh, I double split there. That's not good. That means whatever if they didn't fix it. It's whenever I do that. It's whenever I reset in the menu. Maybe? I'm not going to play it, but that's funny. It would work if I wanted it to. Actually, I just realized how to fix one of the tooth problems. And on keyboard, level currently finished. Okay, I think that'll fix at least one of the things. Let's try it. Demo keyboard. I didn't put a semicolon somewhere. Oh, double equals. Saved by the bell if we had to wake up. What did I break? Help herself at all. Falling deep in love. I'll also have to change this to on start. Oh, vars dot. Okay, now it's fixed. My reasons, oh no. Yeah, there we go. It's fixed. Now I just have to reset. Deep in love, can't give you what you want. My bad, I messed this up. We'll play it. Falling deep in love. Playable. I think that's good. Is that right, doggy? I double framed. What's good? Wi-Fi died? Oh my gosh. Rest in peace. Pour one out. You didn't miss anything great. Fixed more problems with the auto splitter and reset 500 times. Oh no, that's wrong. One sec. This is one of the fastest resetting games ever. Whoever said that must be like incredibly intelligent. Insert Obama metal meme. Yeah. Wrong level. Ooh, new best menuing. That was interesting. Did my legs clip through there? They did. Boop. Menuing's starting to feel a little crispy. Rope swing 60. Voices. One each? Why would one leg clip and the other not? Yeah, I'm very wary of that now. But I appreciate the help because sometimes I'll miss it for sure. Almost-ish. Ba-dow, bow, ba-bow. What did I just do? I don't know if I doubt you can see that, but it was a pop-up. It's like, this is Flash Player 32. I probably did that or something. There, that's what I did. That's crazy. Ooh, new fastest menuing? That's fun. I forgot to reset. She is my midnight. There's a comment in Skyvid that says, "Why are Happy Wheels demo speedrunners so handsome?" That is hilarious. Bam, ba-dam, ba-dam. Bam, bam. Bam, bam, ba-da-bam. There's a new RS time, I think. Or, it keeps happening time. Nope, too much. Why did that happen? Not like the timer, not the game. That actually, I think, might have worked. I don't know why I reset. No, actually, I removed that RAF. There's no limit anymore with the way I set it up this time. I was just a little less intelligent when I made it before. So I had to use a different variable for the finish counter. Oh, I could have just held up. Oh, 1 frame late. I did a 3 frame and then a 2 frame instead of a 3 and a 1. Um, for those who don't have a calc on them, which is short for calculator, that adds to 0.4 or 4 frames. Dun, dun. What did I gold? I guess SMF menuing or something? Also, I just realized I'm forgetting to move my mouse. So I usually have a limit for that, the attempt counter. Oh, okay, never mind. In the old, I misunderstood you. In my old auto splitter, um, it you would have to restart it anytime you got to 255 because of reasons. But no, you're talking about the live split counter. I don't off the top of my head know the unsigned 16-bit image integer positive value limit. Wait, no, unsigned. So it's just positive. But I guess that's impressive that you do. That's insane. Did you look that up or do you just have that knowledge in your head? I was not looking at my screen when I did that. I think I'm back to as good as I was on it keeps happening before. I don't know why I did that though, so maybe I'm not. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Good memory for stupid things, but I don't remember what happened yesterday. I'm similar. Ba-da-bum, bum, bum. But definitely not that level of memory. I just realized if I pause a frame early, it resets the timer, which is definitely what happened last time. Now that I think about it. Mhm. I don't know why I did that either. Did not hold down. Nearly in time. That time I did. No head break, it's big. This one goes here. Sure. Really slow. Good. I love it when bad runs reset. Although I guess it would give me plenty of time to save time on the next run. Pretty much, by the way, for those watching, if I finish every level without ever restarting the level, I PB. Because my menuing is just better, and I'm playing in a faster character in this level. It keeps happening. So as long as I complete a run with no like glaring mistakes, it's guaranteed to be a PB. God, sound like a monster. Blood on the dance floor. That was a decent pause, lol. See, I frame perfectly paused and it reset. So that's another bug we just found. Monster in my way, I'ma feed you to them. That's cool to know though that I hit a frame perfect pause. I was reading about that as well. It literally said that resetting overrides splitting. Vacation plan. Huh. I'll have to think about how to do that. Handsome and flyer. Handsome with flyers. If I push off by sub 15. Alright. Why would it freaking ban you for a clip that you just do? My brain is fried. Wow. Maybe I need to take a break. I haven't eaten lunch. Hi, Fish and Cheeto. I will paste it for you. You know what? Man, okay. One no reset run. And then I'm going to take a break for now. I will be back streaming. I have to decide. Let's say, you know what? No, I don't want to do that. I just want to stream for a while. I really don't want to eat. I have a protein bar. There's a protein bar right here. I just want to play Happy Wheels, you know? But I also have to fix the Nightbot, so I'll have to remember to do that. All right, more runs. I pray perfect it again. I'm finishing the run. Why did that mess up my run? You know, it worked out. Oh my god. A demo run a day keeps the doctor away. For real. Like, you don't even need to eat. Just play demo. Anytime a character leans left like that, it's over. I got time for no tomorrow. Is it seriously another? Oh, I didn't reset. Did I? What? What? It was a gold. Wow. We used to fake golds, not real ones. Wow, tiny bit too low. It's the first time I've been too low. Wow, how is that not touching? It's a double split? Oh, I didn't reset. That was nice. So not good. Satan time. Can I finish Satan, please? That's fun. That's probably going to be a gold. It's not. Wow. I thought my Dawn was really good there. Took me 33 seconds to menu to Dawn in my PB. Am I tupid? Wrong roll. This one here. My brain is incredibly fried. Also frame early. Average SMF when something weird happens. Average SMF when something weird happens. Okay, I don't know what that was. That was. Did anybody see what the SMF was? I did it. Yep. Insane save, by the way. I did not know I could do that. Oh, lost some speed. That's unfortunate. Did not take. Close, actually. Some weird momentum thing. Michael, how you doing? How's school been? Any reason you didn't verify your demo run? I don't know. It was late last night or early in the morning, this morning, I can't remember. And I was like, I don't remember if I'm supposed to verify my own runs. So I just left it for somebody else. Feel like you can? Cool. I'll just make sure I don't cheat. Click between the two levels. I think your mic could be louder and your music could be quieter. Let's see. Bum, bum, ba-da, bum. I would have to do that in voice meter. Ba-da, ba-bow. How's this sound? Is this any better or worse? Also, I need to turn the music down. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. Better. Okay, sick. I need to take my trash out. Sweet. Appreciate it, Michael. Blifia, sick. Sick menuing. Oh, did I frame perfect again? There's a bug. I fixed the auto splitter, but there's a bug where if I frame perfect pause the first finish, or any finish, I guess, it resets. I feel like that's important enough to fix right now because it's happened like 3 or 4 times. Um, but if I just do this a bunch of times, order of operations, I guess you guys can see. Oh, you can store variables in current. That's fun. Oh, sick. You can do other things too. Bidmas. Um, there it is. Wait, in the frame perfect pause clip, was the IGT top left still visible? You can check. I'm not sure. Maybe I should check actually. Well, I don't know actually where in the VOD one is, so next time it's in the VOD, we can clip it. I also do think it was, but um, um, what's this file called again? ASL. ASL. Reset. Override. Split. System 32. Yeah, the AI is just hallucinating its ass off. There's nothing online. Okay, let's see if I can think of something. That's a file that's slowing your happy wheels down. I should delete it. Okay, I'll make sure to delete order 66. It still appeared? Shout out. Ref. Okay, current's 5, old's 4, and first level. That's the one that's an issue. I do actually have an idea. Am I in Vim? I am. Go away. Oh, demo keyboard. Lol. Um, very busy, dude. I feel that too. No, that wouldn't work. Now that I'm thinking about it. Okay. Um, current's 5. No, okay, we can do it the other way around. So we can say if old is 5 and current is 4. That way it waits one more, it waits till the end of the pause instead of the start of the pause to reset. Oh, but maybe would it override the start? Maybe? I don't know. Let's see. Let's find out what that does. We know that that happens. Okay. Now if I restart, it still works. All right, sick. I think that should fix it then. Like, who knew there could be so many things happening at once? Are you in like clubs and stuff too? Because that's when things get fun. So when you're like multiple clubs and they all have meetings at the same time. Very clean. Very clean. All right, I'm going to lock in, focus up real quick. That's not enough. Sure. And I messed up that one frame. It's fine. Nightclubs? Societies, okay. A bunch of them, yeah. Haven't been in any clubs. Not to a discoteca, brother. I mean, societies. We call them clubs. No, yeah, no. I go to multiple nightclubs a day. I haven't been to a nightclub since I was in Europe, actually. A little bit of a choke there. Whereabouts in Europe? I went to... What was this? No, I didn't get a 0.0. Why did that happen, actually? Whereabouts in Europe? I went to study abroad in Spain, in Sevilla. Um, and then I went to watch the Olympics in Paris. Traveled about in Spain when on the weekends and stuff. What'd you watch? I watched a very minor soccer game that no one really cared about, but it was a lot of fun. Football game. And then I watched Olympic bouldering and lead climbing. I think I actually only got to see lead climbing. No, yeah, it's been too long. I'd have to check my phone videos. But I watched Olympic climbing. I got to see Janja Garnbrit, who is like the goat. I know, but I'm speaking to a Brit, okay? I'm trying to be respectful to your culture. and Brooke Rabbitoo, who's my favorite climber. I misclicked. Thanks very much. I try. Ah, okay. I see why they didn't start. Wait, no, I don't. I thought I changed it to on start. Annoys you more than the Brits. I don't get why we call it soccer. I feel like we should call American football soccer because you're socking them, and we should call football because you hit it with your foot. Like, I get special teams, but that's like the only time you touch an American football with your foot. Oh. Well. You play rugby? We've started to more, but it's not extremely popular. It's kind of like if you don't make the American football team, you play rugby. Or like NFL players who are retired. Like, go play rugby. They're fairly similar. Just one of them has stops and the other one doesn't. It just keeps running. At like a very broad level. Also, surprisingly, the American sport is the one that uses protective gear. Do I follow the NBA? No, but my brother's like a massive Houston Rockets fan. Okay, I didn't think that would finish, so I didn't play it. Okay, I need to start playing those. Forgot to switch scenes. Gracias. Maybe almost. Not quite though. Is my menuing less washed now, Michael? The Return of Dre Runs was not in your bingo card. Seems to be. Let's go. Okay, come on! That is on the play now button. I need to change my mouse pointer to like a crosshair. Can you change your mouse pointer? I think I've seen some Happy Wheels players do it. Of time before we all run out. She got it out for me. Early pause. Almost got to test out the fix. Well, something went wrong there. Let me clip what went wrong there, because I do not know. I'm sorry that'll never change. And about forgiveness you were supposed to have exchanged. I think that was frame perfect again, actually. No, that one's fine. Oh, I just didn't reset. Did I? No, I did. Wait, where is it? Oh, my time. Oh, okay. I know that actually. How do I fix that issue? It was one where I finished the level and then reset. I mean, on start, it's supposed to be setting the variables. Hmm. I'm not sure how to fix that actually. Maybe I'll just add on start and on reset. Why not? I don't have an R button, so I have to do this. Ooh, Los Ratones playing. I have to watch that. Ba-da ba da ba ba da ba da da. Da, 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 da. How many runs past Trap Track? 0. I've had like 3 or 4 to. I think I've had 4 to Satan and they've all died. Ooh. But this is my first stream where I've played It Keeps Happening first, so it is to be expected. Not getting as many faces as we were when we were doing the baby route. The feet splitting there is something that's been happening recently that I don't remember happening a lot before. I wonder if I'm doing something differently. Maybe I'm just pressing it too early. I need to stop biting my lip. I have a pretty bad problem with that. That doesn't look right. Just chilling up here. Early on that. That time it didn't do the thing. It like reset the first time I reset it, I think. Why? Why is this happening? I honestly don't really know. Hello? Please. Let me out. Let me out. Thank God. Immediately back. No, never mind. It worked. Aww. Hey, this feature is only available on the Total Jerkface version. Okay, good thing that was bad, because... Please, please, not enough. $10,000 hands. Okay, I could have grabbed the roof there. Might be better to learn the new SMF, because it is not being very consistent. Where does all this go? 83%. 82%. They're both equally reset heavy. That's funny. Okay, I actually might know what the issue is. Oops. Sure. It's not intentional. Good enough to do that. Barely good enough to do that. Not good enough for a back. Wow, I had tried 3 different ways to throw the run and eventually succeeded. That works. Roll, please. Thank you. One hand. Bum bum. Whew, my hands are tired. I should bring back the pre and post stream stretching. I also, for some reason, just press the keys really hard. I feel like it gives me more control, I guess. Grab the mouse wrong. Wrong level. I don't think there's any way to save that. It's just going to throw me right back at it. Dre, should I start a dedicated daily grind for Combine SRC record? That is a very, very hard goal. But I do think it's possible. Would be pretty sick. Hey, this feature is unavailable in the demo of Happy Wheels. Say, Dre, I hear you like funny? I do actually. I love funny video games. That's why I like Happy Wheels so much. Sethy Buns! Our boy. That is not what I wanted to do there. How are you doing today, Sethy Buns? Are you having an excellent weekend? Yeah, you start school tomorrow. Yeah, you have those weird like half semesters, right? The runs have, well, my menuing has gotten a lot better today. I have 0 runs out of my 3rd split. I have not gone to Drep Trek. So hopefully they get better. But good improvement has been made today, so that's the important thing. Also, I fixed my autosplitter, so quality of life is good. Mostly fixed it, at least. There's a few things to wrinkle out. Saved. That's frustrating. Again? That might work. No, fan is too low. Be my vest. That was awkward. Whew. I'm starting to get fairly fatigued. I really don't want to injure myself, so I might have to take a break, like against my will. Yeah, I'm starting to feel my. I have injured this before. Tennis or golf elbow. Don't remember which one, but it's just repetitive strain. So I'm going to take a break, unfortunately. Might do another stream today. But yeah, staying healthy. This is a very long marathon. It's not a race. Tomorrow I will go live at the normal time. It's 5 p.m. CST. You can look that up for your own time zones. I appreciate everyone who hung out here today. Good to see you, Sethi Buns. Good to see Michael. My memory is a goldfish, so those are the only two people I remember who popped in. But Raph has been here the whole time. Very real one. Good luck with that combine record. Let's have a race. Who can get combine world record or demo sub 2 first? All right. Appreciate it, guys. Wait, do anybody have a raid suggestion? Definitely, yeah. It's a Saturday or a Sunday. I'm here to stay. Any Super Mario 63 runners? No. Any Red Ball runners? No. Whatever. We'll just end. All right. Shout out, everybody. Have a good day. And I will see y'all.